दिस इज़ आवर साइफर सोल डैशबोर्ड। तो डैशबोर्ड में सबसे पहली चीज़ आपको एक ओवरव्यू ऑफ रिपोर्ट्स एंड स्टेटमेंट्स मिल जाते हैं। आपको आपकी प्लेटफॉर्म एक्टिविटीज़, द नंबर ऑफ पेजेस, नंबर ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन एंड द टाइम सेव्ड एंड योर प्लान वैलिडिटी। नेक्स्ट ऑन द राइट साइड इज़ द अर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी। तो अर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी में क्या है, जितने भी रिपोर्ट्स आपने जनरेट किए उसके अंदर टोटल एलिजिबिलिटी ऑफ योर क्लाइंट्स बेस्ड ऑन देयर एवरेज बैंक बैलेंस कैलकुलेट करते हैं। एंड अगर वो क्लाइंट्स आप हमें रेफर करोगे तो बेस्ड ऑन दोज क्लाइंट्स एक कमीशन स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट होता है। सो गोइंग बिलो, यहाँ पे आपको आपके रिसेंट रिपोर्ट्स दिखेंगे, आपको कुछ एक्शन बटन्स दिखेंगे। व्यू रिपोर्ट से आप रिपोर्ट के अंदर देख सकते हो। यू कैन ऐड मोर स्टेटमेंट। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपको एक पर्सन का स्टेटमेंट्स रन कर रहे हो, आपने 11 महीने की स्टेटमेंट्स डाल दी एक एक करके, बट अभी आपको एक और 12th मंथ का स्टेटमेंट डालना है, तो आप इसी रिपोर्ट के अंदर ऐड स्टेटमेंट कर सकते हो। यू कैन एडिट कैटेगरीज, you can delete report, you can download the full report in the Excel format, and you can also upload the modified suspense. Next is generate report. Generate report में we can drag drop our files or we can browse them as well. So we support all banks PDF, Excel, CSV. सो आपका जैसे ही यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट डालने के बाद आपको फर्स्ट थिंग रिपोर्ट नेम देना है। आफ्टर दैट यू कैन सिलेक्ट द बैंक नेम। फाइनेंशियल ईयर ऑप्शनल है, बट अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो 22-23। यू कैन ऑल्सो व्यू स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द आई आइकन, या आप मैनुअली भी स्टार्ट एंड एंड डेट दे सकते हो। इफ द PDF contains password, तो you have to add a password. You can add more statements and you just have to click on the generate report. After the report is generated successfully, you can directly view analysis. So the first sheet which will be open will be the summary section. In summary, we have bifurcated it into income and expenses. So in income, as you can see, the major part is taken by debtors. You can click on debtors and view specific transaction which are in debtors categorized. The next is the particular section. In particular section, we have total debit, total credit, opening balance, closing balance month wise. We also have a total of all the month wise debit and credit at the right. Next is the income section. In income, we have debtors, UPI, loan, salary, probable claim settlements, and likewise other categories. You can click on any of the category to see their specific transactions. You can change the category from here also. Next is the expense section. In expense, we have classified it into important expense and other expense. In important expense, we have creditors, probable EMI, salary, investment, traveling, and all the other important expenses. In other expenses, we have UPI, credit card payment, loan, bank charges, post transaction, food expenses, and likewise. Next we have contra credit and contra debit. So after the transaction sheet, after the summary sheet, we have the transactions. So here, as you can see, we have all the transaction categorized. If you want, you can change the categorization from here. You can change one of the 52 categories which we have, or else you can add a new category. For example, we take it as a payment. So if the category does not exist, you can add a new category. So while you are adding a category, it will also ask you to classify. As this is the credit transaction, it is asking for income and contra. If it's a debit transaction, then it will ask you to add it into important expense or other expense. So we'll choose the income. So after saving the classification, it will also recommend us all the similar transaction which they have. So we also have similarity threshold over here. We can adjust the threshold to get more similar transaction or to get the accurate transaction by keeping it to 100%. So we can also add keywords if we want to create a new category. So for example, I'm creating this payment category. So whenever next time I'll have similar kind of transaction, I'll add a keyword here, and whenever the similar transaction appear in other statement, it won't category as UPI credit. It will category as payment because it will match the keyword which you have uploaded over here. So after adding the keyword, you just have to confirm the changes. So you can also download it in the Excel format. So after downloading it, you can change the categories in Excel and re-upload the Excel sheet as well. So for example, I want to change this salary paid into rent paid. I will save this Excel and re-upload it to the software. So it will be recognizing all the categories which you have saved, changed. You have to confirm update. So after this, we also have a suspense sheet as well. So you can change the suspense category from one of the 52 categories which we have, or you can download and upload the Excel as we did in the transaction section. So this way you can bulk edit your categories. If you want to bulk edit all the categories, for example these three categories, you can check mark this, you can bulk edit them. You can change the categories and you can update. So like this way you can bulk change all the categories. Next, moving towards the tally section, the first which we have the ledgers. In the ledger section, first you have to select the company name. The same company should be created in your tally. So after clicking on the company name, second thing you have to select the ledger group. For now I'm just selecting Sunday datas for the demo purpose, and then we have to just click on upload to tally. So as you can see, there is a upload summary. So we have uploaded 438 ledgers, out of which 0 have failed, and all the 438 ledgers has been uploaded. If there's any error in uploading the ledger, it will be marked over here. So after creating the ledgers, we have to upload the transactions. So here the same company will be selected. We can create a bank ledger from here. So let's give it a name as bank. So this way you can create your bank ledger, and if you have any existing bank ledger, you can select from the drop down, and you just have to click on upload to tally button. So all of these transactions will be uploaded to tally within seconds. So here you can see a progress bar. Out of 1630 transaction, how much transaction have been uploaded. So you will also get a upload summary of the transaction. Out of this, 163 transaction have been successfully uploaded. 146 transaction have failed because of I'm using education tally mode. So you can also view on tally that all the transactions which have been successfully uploaded will be viewed here. Next we have vouchers. So we also have tally vouchers, Excel vouchers. In that we have ledgers, ERP and prime, payment receive, contra, purchase, sales, stock, and inventory as well. So you can also use our Excel vouchers if you are comfortable with Excel. The next which we have other sheets like daters. We also extract the party name if there is any party in the description of a bank statement. Creators, all the UPI payments, UPI credit, UPI debit, cash withdrawal, cash deposits. Next is the EMI, a summary of all the EMIs based on their frequency and their transactions. Investments, any refund and reversals. Insurance, contra. In contra we have cash deposit, cash withdrawal, and self transfer, and the last is the EOD sheet.